Hello and welcome. This is Dasira Fraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to change the paper size in paper space. For example, I want to check that what is the size of this paper. So for that I will go here in layout 1. I will right click here, and here you can see one of option page setup manager. I will click here and you can see here at bottom plot size, that is 297 by 210. It's mean this is A4 size paper. Okay, let me check it again. I will go into the plot and I will click here. Okay, now you can see this is ISO A4 297 by 210 mm. Okay, this is A4 size paper. What if you want to just change the size of paper? So you can change the size of paper as well from here. All you need to do is I want to just go in layout number 2, and first I will check here what is the size of paper right now. So the size of the paper here is 210 by 297 millimeter. It's mean that this is A4 and I want to change it in A3 paper size. Okay, so what I will do, I will right click here, I will go here page setup manager, and from here I will add new one. So I will give it a name as A3. Okay, then I will press OK. Now I will modify this one. So I need what? A3. So I will select from here A3. Okay, then I will press OK. Then I will select this particular page and I will check on this one, set current, and then I will close this one. Now you can see entire paper is going to change. Okay, now you can see size of the drawing is small and the size of the paper is large. So let's insert the new viewport. For that I will go in layer panel and I will on this layer, viewport layer. Okay, then I will delete this one. I will delete this one from here and I will insert new one. Okay, I will go into the view. Okay, and from here I will go into the viewport, and as I did before, okay, I will go into the new viewport, and from here I will insert single and I will press OK. Now I will start from here and I will end here. Okay, this is the size of paper, that is A3, and then I will just double click here and I will off this grid mode. Okay, I will click here and I can pan it and I can adjust it here as I need. You can change the scale from here as well, as I told you before that how we can change the scale. Okay, now this is the A3 paper size. Okay, if you want to check, you will go here and I will click on this one. Now you can see this is ISO A3 paper size. This is the way you can change the paper size as well in paper space. Okay, what if you want to just insert something here? If you want to just show this is the side view, for example, without showing in model space, you can insert that as well. Okay, for that I want to just show here leader, for example. I will just click here in leader. Okay, and I want to start from here. Okay, and here, and I will end up here. Okay, now this is the leader and I want to write here side view. Okay, now I will click OK. Now you can see here this is going to insert here, and if I will go into the model space, now here is nothing to insert. Okay, if you want to just insert something in paper space, you can just insert without inserting it in model space. Okay, but if I will just double click here and if I want to just insert something here, for example circle, okay, and I will insert this one here and I will go into the model space. You can see here this is also insert here. Okay, so if you will in the model space and if you are going to insert something, that will be also available in model space, but if you are in paper space and if you are going to insert something, that will not be in model space. Okay, so this is how you can insert something, this is how you can change the paper size, and I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.